In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a job on the Odoo Recruitment website. We'll go through the full process of creating a job position inside Odoo, updating the information that applicants need to see, and then publishing the role so it becomes visible on your public recruitment page. To get started, open the Recruitment app in Odoo. This is where all of your job openings and applicant pipelines are managed. Once you're inside, go to the Job Positions page. This page shows the roles you already have, and it's also where you can create a new one. Click New to create a job position. In the job title field, enter the name of the role you want to advertise, such as Sales Manager. Make sure the title is clear and specific, since this is one of the first things candidates will notice when they view the listing. Next, under the Details tab, fill in the important information for the position. Depending on your hiring process, this may include the recruiter responsible for the role, the target number of hires, the department, expected skills, salary range, and the job location. Take a moment here to be accurate and complete. These details help your internal team stay organized, and some of them may also support the way the role is presented or tracked inside Odoo. If your Odoo system manages more than one website, select the correct website for this job posting. This is an important step because it ensures the position appears on the right public site. If you only manage one website, this may already be set for you. After that, click Go to Website at the top of the job position. This takes you to the public-facing version of the listing, where you can control what applicants will actually read. On the website page, add or edit the job description and any other information candidates should see before applying. This is your chance to make the role clear, informative, and appealing, so keep the language professional and easy to understand. When everything looks good, change the job status from unpublished to published. This makes the position publicly available on your recruitment website, so candidates can start finding it and applying. Finally, check the public job page to make sure everything displays correctly. Confirm that applicants can view the job and that the Apply Now option is available and working as expected. This final review helps you catch any missing details before promoting the opening more widely. Thanks for watching.